stop playing with him. Jdavinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his.
So today we're going to be doing a review on the NYX Total Drops. This is in the shade, what shade is this? Caramel. I'm super excited to try this out. I've seen a lot of girls do reviews on it. I'm going to be using my Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm. I actually used to like this stuff. I just went through, I went through my makeup and found so much stuff. So I'm gonna just prep my beauty blender. I like to spray it with the Mario Badescu setting spray, and I literally wash it before each application. So today we're gonna be trying the NYX Total Control Drops. Ooh, it's medium to full. Ooh, it's full. If I go with 4 drops in, it becomes full coverage. So I'm gonna just drop this all over my face. Color looks perfect. My mom bought this for herself and it was too light for her. And I saw it on her little dresser when I went over her house, like, what? Why does this look like my shade? Ooh, girl, this foundation. I'm loving the coverage. It reminds me of like a creamier version of my MAC Studio Fluid Foundation, literally, in the shade NC44 too. This is Caramel. So it's saying if you want light coverage, you'd go in with 2 drops. If you want medium coverage, you go in with 3 drops. If you want full coverage, you go in with some more drops, of course. So now I'm gonna see what it looks like if I just drop it directly onto my beauty blender. It almost just seeps into the beauty blender. So yeah, that's not a good idea. So far, I mean, it's definitely blending out my makeup. It's not patchy. I like an even coat of foundation. I don't know if you can see, but I can see like this area needs a bit more work. I didn't put any on my eyes. So far for like the price and everything, I remember I was talking about that BH foundation. Nah, this NYX foundation is nice. All right, so let me check it out close up. But yo, vibes. Ooh, definitely some coverage here. I went on with a lot. I'm not having any creasing under my under eyes or my forehead. It's my complexion, so that makes me really happy. This is some good foundation. So I've been seeing a lot of girls and guys, they've been loving their Rihanna Fenty Beauty concealer sticks. So I'm gonna give it another try. I never really used it. I tried it once and I wasn't really feeling it, but I'm gonna give it another go because I wanna start using different products. I've just been using what I love, which is NARS, but I've been, you know, what do you call that? Venturing out. So this is the Rihanna concealer stick in the color Bamboo. Could really bring it up the sides a bit. Okay. Chin. This is what we got so far. We're gonna go back in with our rose water spray.
Girl, all the yeah. Y'all know who I am, right? What's that on that beat? Let's go. Girl, all the
This is the overall look, okay? I think it's looking really good. I'm gonna just take a smaller mirror so I can get more close and personal. Okay, makeup's looking great. Foundation looks good. This color was perfect. I'm not experiencing any creasing around my nose area.
I should have said yet because I experienced a lot of separation around my nose. So just be sure to set it with powder.
Yeah, because typically that's where it will crease first, around my nose. I mean, it hasn't been no more than 20 minutes, but so far we're good. I'm gonna be using this foundation a bit more. This might be my everyday foundation because I love it. So here is an update on the NYX liquid drops. I like it. It's been about 6 hours. Still on my face. It was very affordable, so I like it.